Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. This is Marybeth. I'm back with you, and I just want to begin by sharing, just to inspire you, that this amazing opportunity is still alive, still going strong, and yes, I'm still very much earning with it. I've been part of the Legacy Builder program since it first launched and went live last year, March of 2024. Let us fast forward now to July, the end of July 2025. Another new member just joined me recently as a Legacy Builder member at the $900 level, and this is what Square sent me less their fees. So there you go, folks. The proof is in the pudding, and like they always say, documentation beats conversation. Now I want to continue to inspire you and bring you inside of our awesome and amazing, ever-growing digital growth community, now that spans 54,900 members worldwide, growing daily, weekly, and monthly. This is an amazing community, a great place to be. It's an extension of our digital products. Okay, this is a separate platform, a separate community on School. We have our products, our 4 done-for-you digital products inside of another space called Kajabi, which I will be sharing with you on one of my new upcoming videos. So definitely stay tuned for that, because I'll be bringing you inside of the product base and showing you around all the wonderful content and training you're going to have access to when you decide to take action to be able to change your life and your situation. But for right now, this is the DGC Digital Growth Community. And what I really love and appreciate are these daily videos that our amazing creator, Michelle, continues to drop on us every single morning and pour into us training, knowledge, and value and content. So yesterday was day 79 of our 90-day success sprint. This was the video, Define Your Brand Message and Tone. And I encourage all members, once they get into the digital growth community, to keep a watchful eye for these videos that drop every morning and take action with them. Watch them. Okay, watch them from beginning to end. Don't take any shortcuts, and then go out and apply and implement what you are being taught and contained within these videos, because this is what's going to help you to grow, build, and scale your brand and your business. Okay, so that you too can build a reliable, predictable, consistent income with the Legacy Builder program. Okay, so as you can see, we get these every single day. These started a while back because we're almost concluding another 90-day success sprint, Freedom Success Sprint. This started with day 1 was our vision. Day 2, embracing the learning curve. Day 3 was your shoulds. Day 4 was your success blueprint. Day 5 was your perfect customer, how to go out there, identify, find your perfect customer so that you can create your content. That happens to be one of our high income potential marketing skills that we teach and train on, is content creation, social media marketing, list building, follow up, all that good stuff, folks, and so much more. Day 6 was what to create, what content to create. Again, content creation is king, folks. All right. Day 7 was the power of social media marketing. You can pick and choose any platform you want. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, whatever your interest is, wherever you're most comfortable with, we teach and train on all of them. Okay? What is right for one member might not be the best fit for another member. So that's why we give you the ability to pick and choose, lots and lots of flexibility here, folks. Okay? Which platform is right for you? This is going to give you insight into what platform is right for you based on your personality, based on what you're comfortable with, and based on your time frame. Okay? How much time you can allocate to your business and building your business. Day 9, going viral, and day 10, your freedom machine, and it continues down onward. Okay? So just wanted to share with you some of the content that you will be able to access each and every single day. These videos are absolutely amazing. I appreciate them. I look forward to them every morning. I watch them. I take action with them. I apply and implement. So therefore, this is a big part of what is allowing me to still consistently earn with the Legacy Builder program. Everything's here for a reason, for a specific purpose, folks, to help you for your greater good so that you can build your brand and you can build a successful business and enjoy freedom with your freedom machine, which is your automated funnel. That way you can go out there and you can enjoy time freedom, location freedom, and ultimately the potential for financial freedom to get unstuck and change your situation and change your life forever. Okay? So this is our community, folks. Love it. This is the extension of our digital products right here inside of the classroom. You're brand new. This is exactly where you want to begin. Getting started with this orientation video that's going to walk you through step by step by step what to do, how to do it, and how to do it the right way. So please don't take any shortcuts, folks. Everything's here to help you to win. Digital growth ecosystem. Okay, this is the Freedom Sprint. This is all of our 90-day success sprints, all recorded here from the very beginning. Hours upon hours of training poured into this series, into this segment right here. Free webinar details and resources. Folks, there's so much value contained within these. It's absolutely mind-blowing. We have weekly tech support Q&A calls throughout the week. Many of them are uploaded here and recorded, so just look for what you need and it'll be right here, okay? But we have them live throughout the week. So if you're new, I encourage you to hop on one of these live if you need help with any type of setup, okay? This is a great resource and a great place to go, okay? Mindset training. This is very, very important. We combine the best of both worlds, mindset with skill set. This is where I have spent many of hours, and I've greatly benefited from the knowledge and the content and the training contained within social media training. Always open your mind to learning new things, folks. You can't be afraid to learn new things. You need to transform yourself into a student of learning, transform yourself into a sponge, so to speak, and just take it all in. Okay, learn as much as you can, but just do it at your own pace, okay? Just everybody learns at a different pace, folks. Just take your time. Don't go on information overload. Don't become stressed. Don't get overwhelmed, folks. Just learn at your own pace. Keep coming back, keep showing up daily, and keep learning, okay? Because your ability to be teachable, coachable, and learn is what's going to position you for the ability to earn. This is set up and structured in a learn while you earn environment. And that's why our members love it. And that's why they're winning here, folks, because we pour into you exactly what you need to know to become the best version of yourself that you possibly can become. Okay. So just giving you a sneak preview, folks, this is contained hours and hours of just tremendous golden nuggets, tremendous value and training for social media. All phases and facets of social media are contained within this very area right here. And I absolutely, positively love it. Again, this is where I have benefited greatly. Okay. And I attribute to my ability to consistently earn because I have plugged in and applied and implemented what I learned here in addition to what is contained within the actual products, okay, on a different platform called Kajabi. And Monday, I try to attend as many of these as possible. If you're not able to, I encourage you to plug into the replay. Last night was absolutely amazing. Wendy spent time teaching us and training us on my favorite platform, YouTube. So many golden nuggets, so much value. Just greatly appreciated, folks. It was off the charts. It was that good, folks. So much I learned, and I'm so grateful I was able to attend live in the moment. It's always best when you can attend live in the moment, but if you're not able to, the next best thing is to plug into the replay and watch the replay. And the replays are here for you. You can come back and you can use them and you can reference them as often as you need to, because sometimes they're just that good where a one-time pass, a one-time watch just isn't enough. Go in here and watch them, take notes, and then go out there, apply, and implement, okay? So coming down here, folks, content vault. Never have to stress about not knowing how to create content, what to say in your content, especially if you're new. Go into the content vault, folks, and allow your creative juices to start flowing. You're going to get a wealth of ideas for your content. Okay? 6 figures in 6 months. There is just so much back here. I just wanted to show you where it's located. Again, this is a phenomenal continuation of the training, okay? The classroom. And it's always here, folks. It's always open 24/7. Not only are you going to have access to your products, but you're going to have access to the community, okay? Here is our calendar. Like I say, folks, last night, every Monday, 8 p.m. Eastern, we have mentoring, and we focus on a different strategy with regards to social media marketing. Last night was YouTube. Now today, we're going to have a tech Zoom at 1 p.m. Eastern in the afternoon, followed by our incredible Legacy Builder Live Interactive Training. Those of you who are at the Legacy Builder level, $900, folks. That's why it benefits you to greatly stretch yourself to try to come all in or upgrade as soon as you're able to, because you really don't want to miss out, folks. This is just pure value, pure content. Again, I try to attend as many of these live as I can. These are live in the moment, live interactive sessions. Q&A, we're split up into small groups, breakout sessions, and we just kind of feed off of each other's success. We share ideas, we share values, we get training. It's just absolutely amazing what Michelle pours into us in these live interactive sessions. And they're hosted every single Tuesday, either in the afternoon or evening. We kind of rotate so that since we are global, as many people can start to attend these as they're able to. But again, they're all recorded and uploaded into the appropriate segments, okay? And then this coming Thursday, we're going to have a 3-day growth plan for more strategic marketing training. Okay, and we have various training every single Thursday afternoon, usually at 12, 1, or 2. Again, it's all recorded. Everything is recorded. So if you're not able to attend based on your schedule, based on your wherever you're located geographically, folks, you just come into the classroom and you watch the replays. Okay? And then on weekends, we have these hosted for our new members that are coming in to help them to go quickly and easily set up. So this is going to conclude this month, folks. It was an amazing month. I'm so excited for August because August starts the busy season in this wonderful home-based business industry. That is why you want to get started as soon as possible so that you are more than ready for what is about to come around the corner, folks. Especially if you're looking for a side hustle, or you might be looking for more. You might be searching for a way that you can replace your full-time job. Whatever your situation is, folks, you're in the right place at the right time, and this is something that can have a huge, tremendous impact on your life, personally, financially. I know what it's done for me, and I get to witness every single day what it's doing for so many members inside of this amazing community. And I'm going to share that with you right now. I like to conclude these videos by providing you with motivation and inspiration. Okay? So here is the wins. I just want to show you what is possible. So look at this right here, okay? Christelle is welcoming another new member that joined her and has become a South African millionaire. Absolutely amazing. We have a huge presence over there in South Africa. And aside from the United States, this is our next biggest growing country. But we are global. We are worldwide. We are all over the country, folks. And we are helping so many people to change their lives, folks. This is absolutely a huge, huge milestone. Louise, congratulations to all the wins. Winning mindset. Look at this, folks. Tracy just hit 1,000 followers on TikTok. Another milestone that she is grateful for being able to achieve. Okay. Here's another new member who had their first $100 sale. Another member, Natalie, another $100 ding. Darlene is YouTube ready. Okay. Marv just got certified. Look at Sarah, hit $2,000 today. Absolutely amazing. Kelsey, $600 while at the arcade with her family. And this is all possible because the way we have this set up with our freedom funnels It's running out there on automations. Our follow-ups are doing a spectacular job for us. Our Freedom Funnel does all the telling, selling, and explaining for us. And we have those follow-up emails that go out for us on our behalf for a continued period of time. And this is part of the journey that we bring our prospects and our leads into while we're out there building know, like, and trust and enjoying life. Okay, it's absolutely, absolutely amazing. Look at this, another new member, another $900 just made. Okay, look, Cazelle, I did it. I did my second teaser post for the Profit to 7 Days launch. Still scared and happy, but I finally did it. Folks, sometimes you just need to step outside of your comfort zone. If you want something bad enough, folks, remember, if there's a will, there's a way. You have to step forward in faith and in confidence and do what you need to do in order to get results. Folks, this isn't a question of does this work. It works if you work it, and the best way to make it work for you is to show up every single day and just be consistent, folks. Follow the training, be willing to be coachable, teachable, spend time with your product, and spend time inside this community, inside the classroom. Try to attend as many live trainings as you can throughout the week. And if you're not able to, the next best place to go is to catch the replay, okay? That would be my best advice to you. So as you can see, folks, Peggy just hit 10,000 followers on TikTok. That's a huge milestone. Okay, look, Ashley is getting started on YouTube. Ronald had a real win. Okay, look at this. Hi, everyone. I'm a former insurance agent for 41 years. I'm not retired. I'm full of vim, vigor, and vitality and ready to learn the real way to build a strong foundation for a great life with my family and friends. Another life about to be changed, folks. Okay? Look at this Instagram win on a new account, 3,000 views in less than 24 hours. This is because our training that we pour into our members works. If you follow it, if you show up, if you're willing to be teachable, coachable, and consistent. Consistency is the key to being successful in all of your online endeavors. Look at this. Kimberly started her week off with a $900 win. Look at this. Ashley created her YouTube account less than 1 week ago and had 2 videos already go viral. Folks, amazing, amazing milestones and successes that are being shared inside of our amazing community because this stuff works if you're willing to work it. Okay, look at this. Tiffany, small but mighty win. Just made a teaser post to relaunch my digital marketing venture after taking a year off from the online business. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. I think hopefully you get the gist of this. Look at this. It's absolutely amazing what is happening. Evan had a new legacy member come in on the payment plan for $900. So you can actually get started, folks, for a fraction of the cost today or tomorrow. Even if you don't have $900, folks, we have lots of options, lots of flexibility. We have payment plans awaiting for you. So please, folks, ditch those excuses. If there is a will, there is a way. I can absolutely help you. And all I invite you to do right now is to go to the link below, createsuccesswithmarybeth.com. That's my website. That's my freedom machine. Any questions? I welcome all serious inquiries. Text or call me. Can answer all of your questions, help you to get started. 330-787-1795. That's my personal cell. It's listed in the description along with my website, createsuccesswithmarybeth.com. Look at this. Never give up. Somebody's just successfully completed their certification. Excited for 3 new leads coming in this morning. So excited and hopeful. Look at this. Over $530 so far. Look at this. $900 for breakfast. $900 win on a Sunday morning. Look at this. Got my flame back. TikTok live. Every time I go live, I feel more and more in alignment with my purpose. Today was amazing. So folks, as you can see, this is the real deal. I invite you to come on in, check it out. I hope to see you soon on the inside. With that, I'd love to welcome you in advance to the Legacy Builder opportunity. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.